All right, we're shooting video. And away we go.
Bradley.
Well, that was where I was telling brother I was trying to ask. It was right side up. The only thing is the wing was missing. I'll tell you what I'm thinking what happened was, remember I was telling you that there was a little crack on the edge of the wing? I was thinking it was failing in flight because I could not get that plane turning the direction I wanted it to go. And that's why I brought it right back to you. Because it kept making, it was like it was going out of trim real bad. And I can get out of the wing for it, but
well, you know,
I'm not flying for the day. That's the sorry part about that.
Yeah, that sucks.
I could not get that. It kept doing circles no matter how much I was torquing it in the other direction with the remote. So something went screwball on it right there just before, and I said I'm gonna put the thing on the ground here before I lose it in the trees. So I just killed the throttle and just brought it in.
How much throttle did you have when it was circling? I get into that all the time.
It was only like about like 50% to 75%.
Yeah, if you do full throttle, it'll kind of bring itself out of that. I used to get in that loop where it's circling on you.
Yeah.
You just throttle out of it.
Why can't you fly this? Because it broke your
It broke the wings.
Well, no, that wouldn't keep me from flying. It would. I mean, I hot glue it back together.
He'll hot glue it.
I'm serious.
Oh, hell yeah. Cool. Watch that, still attached to the
Oh,
point.
shit. That's all
Let me
right.
get the little screwdriver out. Oh, you can just unclip it there, yeah.
I guess this little.
So you got the little camera there.
Oh yeah.
This might still be running.
Yeah, that might be an